Hi, I'm Paige. I'm going to introduce you a product here. It is Bosch cordless vacuum cleaner, GAS 12 volt. Now I'm going to unbox it. Yeah, it comes with a manual, a charger, a nozzle, and a 12 volt 2 ampere hour lithium ion battery. And this is how our Bosch cordless vacuum cleaner looks like. Now I'm going to install it. First, the nozzle, then the battery. It has a battery power indicator. You see the green light? It shows fully charged. It has an excellent dust retention capacity, meaning the dust won't be blown out during vacuum. Let's try out. This Bosch vacuum cleaner is so portable and convenient. It can be easily used in every corner of your house, behind your TV, or even it can be used in your car. While you are cooking and you spill salt, worry no more. You can easily use it to clean up the mess, even though it is in hard-to-reach area. It is also able to vacuum corners and on uneven surfaces. You will never expect what to find behind your sofa, especially when you have kids at home. Small items or leftover food where you can now easily clean it with Bosch GAS 12 volt. The dust box can be easily detached just in one click. Can you see the residues? The residues can be thrown away into the dustbin, while the residues inside this microfilter, you have to use a normal brush, for example a toothbrush, to clean it. It's so convenient that you don't need to use water to wash it. After that, you just have to attach it back like this. If you're interested to get one, you can get it from Bosch official store at lazada.com.my. Hurry, because for the first 50 customers, you'll be entitled 30 ringgit offline shopping voucher. Wait no more. Bye-bye.